Central Standard Time.
That's close to me. So yes, this replaces it.
Standard Time. A severe thunderstorm was located over Madison or near Nashville, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gallatin, Madison, Hendersonville, Mount Juliet, Goodlettsville, Millersville, Lakewood, Old Hickory, and Whites Creek. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.